Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how we can transcribe our speech to text in your phone. Yes, right from your phone you can transcribe to whichever language you want, means the available language. For in this tutorial I'm taking a notes. I'm take a fresh notes, and this tutorial is all about transcribe. Okay, and this is possible provided if you have a gboard in the sense the Google keyboard. See here, this is the Google keyboard. See, this is the Google keyboard what I have. If you don't have Google keyboard, the first thing you need to do is download gboard from Play Store and set this keyboard as the normal or the default keyboard. If you don't know how to do that, I'll drop the link in the description. You can go to that. Once you're here, for example, I'll speak Spanish, and Spanish will be written here. Okay, the first example is that one. For to do that, you need to long press on the space bar and click on language settings. For now, only there are two languages, English and Telugu, and now I'll add a one more keyboard, which is Spanish or Espanol. Okay, what I'll do is I'll add this. Okay, there are various versions. This is fine. Click on done. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll open this one, the notes. See here, now I'll shift to this one. Okay, I'll use this mic symbol. Hola. Yeah. uh, to be honest, I don't know Spanish language, so I can't speak much. Hola. Hola. Yeah, I don't know much of this language, so I can't speak actually this one. But you can try. Instead, what I'll do is I'll shift to another language which is already added, Telugu. This I can speak. ఈ తెలుగులో మాట్లాడటం అయితే నాకు వచ్చు. Okay, see here, if you observe, now I shifted to English, so everything will be transcribed into English and will be written here. See, just I'm speaking now and it is putting into the words there. Likewise, you can press and hold on this and click on language settings and click on add a keyboard, and from the list available choose whichever language you want. If you want whichever language, you can just choose for that and you can go with that. For example, yeah, this language you can add it. Once you add it, you can do this on WhatsApp also. You can open one of your chatting conversations in WhatsApp, and there also you can transcribe. Just press and hold on the space bar so that you can shift between the languages and use this mic symbol. Now speak in that particular language, and that particular language will be uh, put into words here. So this is how you can transcribe your speech or the interviews or whatever it may be into the words here. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.